All science is either physics or stamp collecting. An alleged scientific discovery has no merit unless it can be explained to a barmaid. The only possible interpretation of any research whatever in the social sciences is some do, some don't. We haven't the money, so we've got to think. It is wrong to think that the task of physics is to find out how nature is. Physics concerns what we can say about nature. If your experiment needs statistics, you ought to have done a better experiment. The energy produced by the breaking down of the atom is a very poor kind of thing. Anyone who expects a source of power from the transformation of these atoms is talking moonshine. Gentlemen, we have run out of money. It is time to start thinking. All of physics is either impossible or trivial. It is impossible until you understand it, and then it becomes trivial. It was almost as incredible as if you fired a 15-inch shell at a piece of tissue paper and it came back and hit you. We have learnt to split the atom. What we have not yet learnt is to control it. If I could remember the names of all these particles, I'd be a botanist. When we have found how the nucleus of atoms is built up, we shall have found the greatest secret of all, except life. In science, there is only physics. All the rest is stamp collecting. If your experiment needs statistics, you ought to have done a better experiment. We haven't got the money, so we've got to think. Do not let yourself be tainted with a barren skepticism. All science is either physics or stamp collecting. It is one thing to know that atoms are in motion. It is quite another to see them move. We have to learn again that science without contact with experiments is an enterprise which is likely to go completely astray into imaginary conjecture.